salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a Subway style chicken sub sandwich by using my new Kasori dual blaze air fryer. Super easy to use and it saves me a lot of time. I'm gonna serve this sub sandwich with crisps and a really nice raspberry mocktail. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with our marinade, with a fresh ginger garlic paste, and with a chili, coriander powder, and with the cumin powder, tandoori masala, some of this turmeric, and with garam masala, salt, fresh lemon juice. You could use it now or later, it's up to you, and with the yogurt, and finally finish off with a touch of oil. Give this a really good mix. Just gonna have a little taste. Adjust any seasoning if you need to. I'm gonna remove some of this marinade for later use. For the chicken I'm using breast, but you could also use chicken thighs. Grab your knife and remove the tenderloin. Then slowly you want to cut the chicken through the middle to even out the shapes. Let the knife do the work. And always protect yourselves when using sharp knives. As the chicken goes into our marinade, you want to give this a really good mix. One of the best chicken tikka sandwiches that you're gonna try. It's gonna taste amazing. Set aside and leave it to marinate for at least an hour. As we know, energy costs are skyrocketing, and with air fryers you can save up to 55% on your energy bills compared to convection ovens. I wanted to talk about Kasori's dual blaze smart air fryer, who have kindly sponsored this video. With its unique upper and lower heating elements, it doesn't require preheating or shaking. The dual sensors offer for more precise temperature control, making food evenly browned. The large capacity of 6.4 liters is suitable for 4 to 6 portions, and you can easily cook a variety of different food in one go, meeting the needs of your families and friends gathering. The free V-Sync app lets you remotely control the air fryer and monitor cooking progress. Kasori Dual Blaze also offers 12 one-touch functions, so you can start cooking straight away, or you can adjust the time and temperature to meet your needs. There's an included 30 recipes cookbook and an introduction book, so you can get started in no time. Overall, I love the dual blaze feature of this air fryer as it provides adaptive heating. It will automatically adjust if you're baking, roasting or air frying. This makes the food much crispier and evenly browned without drying it out. Alright, so cook our chicken. We're gonna set the air fryer temperature to around 190 Celsius. When I carefully place the breast in the air fryer, make sure not to overcrowd. Now, if you want, you could spread some oil on there. And like I mentioned before, this air fryer doesn't require any preheating, so this goes straight in. And we're gonna let this cook for around 8 to 9 minutes until we have an internal temperature of 75 Celsius, which is roughly around 165 Fahrenheit. Also, with this air fryer, you don't have to flip the food. Alright guys, look at this amazing chicken. It only took 9 minutes to cook. The chicken is so juicy and tender. It's not dried at all. You can clearly see. And you can see it's perfectly browned on the outside, The dual blaze air fryer has done an amazing job. This air fryer is perfect, especially if you go a large family, you can cook a whole roast chicken. And the best part is you don't even have to flip the food, it cooks them perfectly from all around. The food is always nice and juicy, it doesn't dry out. So if you're looking for a healthy frying option and want to save money on your energy bills, then check out the Kasori Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer. Kasori are currently offering 22% discount on their Amazon page, so grab it while you can. I will leave the link in the description below. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Grab some of the lettuce, pickles and some tomatoes. Grab your toasted soap. First of all, add some of this mayonnaise. Add our cooked chicken. Gonna add some of the cheese on here. Just a little bit. Melt the cheese. Some of the tomatoes. Some of the lettuce. Touch of the salt on there. Then we're gonna have some pickles. And finally some more sauce. For the mocktail, we're gonna start by making a syrup. And with the fresh raspberries. And with the sugar. For some acidity, I'm using lemon juice. With a really good touch of lemon zest and with a lot of freshness. Half a cinnamon stick. This is not cassia bark. Just a small pinch of sea salt. And finally some water. Now you want to mix and cook this on low heat until the syrup comes together. And now you want to pass the syrup through a sieve. As it cools down, it will thicken. Just squeeze out all the raspberries. And it's a prep of a mocktail with the fresh raspberries, slice of lemon, fresh mint leaves. To add some fragrance, I'm using juniper berries. Crush everything down to release all the flavor and juices. Some of the sugar syrup to remove any bitterness. And finally our raspberry syrup. Now throw in some crushed ice. Here with the soda water. Finally you can garnish it with some of the mint leaves or lemon. Serving it with some of the crisps. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Or let's try this. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. You can really taste the marinade. It is so flavorful. One of the best chicken tikka sandwich ever. Those amazing tomatoes, pickles, so good. Alright, let's try our mocktail. Bismillah. Wow. Oh man, it is so fragrant. You know, there's so many flavors going on here. You can really smell the cinnamon, you know, a bit of those fragrance from those juniper berries. That was an amazing meal. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.